Alright, so what we got here today is we got a fusion head unit that we need to check out, figure why it's not working, and a CO detector, which is going to be right there. This is a 43 PC leopard catamaran. Little baby sugar scoops. They gave me an extra radio just in case. I got sealed. So let's get started. The stereo itself is powered on. I'm going to turn on the rear marine. So these use Empire bus. So they're claiming that they're getting static noise off of one speaker on the fly. Come on, baby. Fire up. Okay, so let's go to dashboard. It's gonna get us to Empire bus. I'm gonna fire up the stereo. Oh, that's working perfectly. So since it's got static, I'm gonna have to go through and check all the speakers, but then. So we're gonna pull the fusion off. Be careful with these clips because they always break. That thing is stuck in there. Alright. We gotta go about it a different way. They must have all the cables all tangled up. So it looks like I'm gonna have to there we go. Alright, so you can see this is what we got going on. So it does look like they are using some channels off the radio right off the bat. They are. So we're gonna have to go through and see what's going on. So this is a problem. The RCAs for the flybridge amp are too short. And they had zip tied them like this. So when they did that, one was a little bit touching, a little bit loose, and that's why they're getting static. I'm gonna have to see how I can loosen up some from the back so I can leave it all nicely done. Because like that, it's just gonna, any wave or something, it's gonna pop loose again when it's way too tight like that. But that was it. Okay, so now I connected my Fusion, or the back of the Fusion, to my tablet. I'm going to software updates, download. When that finishes downloading, I'm gonna get back so we can update it. Okay, so I started zip tying. All that software is send. So we're gonna send it. So now it's transferring the software update. Sorry for the reflection. 2% complete. It's gonna take a while. So we'll come back after it's done. So we're gonna put back our clips. Wait. Oh, I hit the power button by mistake. Automatically connected to my phone. Okay, so we're connected again. General. Oh, I messed that up. Let's try again. Alright, so we gotta start from the beginning. Snips. Get my old zip ties. So now I'm just gonna wait. We're at 22%. We'll just wait for it to update, and then we're gonna label all the zones. Alright, so it's being transferred right now. It's updating. It's at 90% from the tablet. But meanwhile, we've been looking for the missing CO detector that we gotta put here. But also I found a huge water leak here on the floor. It looks like it's coming behind this panel. This is all screwed in though. I'm thinking it's coming from the window. It's just straight down like that. Okay, so we're gonna label zone 2 as cockpit, because that's what it is. Then we're gonna go to zone 3. Okay, so zone 4, zone name, flybridge, and then zone 3. Let me open up here. Which is right here. So we are gonna label that as zone 3 name, bow. And now he's all labeled up. And the radio, let's just call it no. Settings, general, device name. We're gonna call it custom name. Leopard 40. Okay. Yeah. So we are done. Look, the water's starting to come in. Yeah, so it's either the bottom seal of the window. Look, it's moving. Yeah, the bottom seal of the window. Yeah, I think it's gonna be in this corner. Let me see, where's my finger? I think it's gonna be in this corner of the window. And it's a good amount. So if it rains hard, yeah, you see it coming? So it's moving forward. And it's gonna keep going and start dripping right under here. Oh yeah, it's a lot of water. Yeah, it's coming. I had just dried it too. Oh, look. Right here. Yep, yeah. The bottom part of the window. Massive leak. Alright, at least we figured that out. Because the only area I wet was right on the top of the step, which is right here. I wet on top of the step and the water just came down to the window and hit the crack. So I'm thinking it's somewhere along the bottom of the window. Alright, so that concludes our repair. This 40 leopard, she's a beauty. Nice, small, and petite, as I would say. Give you guys a look from the front. They don't have that much clearance, so I think they would slap.